trying to get the ball to stop inside those cones at some place. All distance. All distance. There you go. Perfect. And now let's do a long one. That's great. That's awesome. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Does that feel different than what you were doing before?
Especially going forward.
Definitely going forward. And then surprisingly, after you do this drill a number of times, surprisingly, you'll just kind of envision those tees being there and you just get an idea of the pace. Now, all the green speeds are different depending on where you play, but this is a great drill to just practice. Just practice distance. See that ball stops pretty much right in the middle of those 2 points. That's great. Well, good. Well done. Unlike chipping, see how the ball gets up in the air a little bit more. It's not as low to the ground. And we try to land it. So that's the drill and the practice routine we're going to do with our pitchers. Okay, guys. Lesson 3. We're working on a bunker drill. We've done some explanations and demonstrations. We've worked individually on some of the issues that you're at. And now I'm going to show you a couple of drills that'll help you improve your target. So if we take a dollar bill and we set it down in the bunker, and we put the golf ball right on George Washington's face there in the middle. The goal of this drill is to get you to realize that the leading edge of the club doesn't hit the ball first. We need to hit the dollar bill, or we need to hit the sand first to have the sand move the ball out of the ball. So we've got the dollar bill sitting down. We get the ball on top of the middle of the face. We got our setup. We're open to the target line. Our club face is open. Now we're going to just focus on this leading edge of the club, hitting right where the dollar bill begins. So we're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on that drill with each one of you, and then we'll go about the next drill. Okay, Nick. So after we talked about explaining and demonstrating how the bunker shot should be executed, we talked about this dollar bill. It's going to be really good, I think, because you had a tendency to catch the ball a little bit thin or not take enough sand on your bunker shot. So if you would go ahead and set up. Yeah, that's great. If you want to set up, make sure you're open to the target line, which is perfect. Your club face is open. Yeah, there we go. And then all you're focusing on is hitting that back of that dollar, accelerating through the shot. Much better. In this full swing lesson, we talked a lot about staying connected, okay? And we talked about how the word connected meant that our elbows, when we hit a golf club and we set up, our elbows are in close to our body, and you can see our triangle, okay? I have a great training aid to help you. You can do full swing shots with this. It's a bath towel that I'm sure everybody has at home. Okay, so if we put one end of the bath towel under our left arm, wrap it around our chest, and the other end under our right arm, and we take our golf swing, we take our golf club, and we take our setup. If this towel falls out of either one of the arms, that means we're not staying connected through the shot like we should. Okay, so I'll demonstrate one here. See how the towel stays in the right spot, right between our arms. Really cool training aid to use. You can hit balls with this, and you can just do it without hitting balls as well. So if we set up and we come back, and this towel, now look can you see our triangle? Our triangle's gone, right? Because we didn't stay connected. We didn't keep that triangle throughout the golf swing. So this is a really cool training aid we're going to work with today, and that'll help you stay connected, like we talked about earlier.